My name is Cecil Cordell. I'm age 69. I live in Gainesville, Florida, and I'm a professional engineer and also a professional track and field athlete. So I'm actually the decathlete, and the decathlete, there's 10 events. So the decathlon is one of the most grueling events you can do. It involves running, jumping, and throwing. I would say the injuries to my left shoulder has been just a lifetime of sports and athletics, and it was always sore, it was always aching, it was always hurting, and I never could get really comfortable with it.
He could still raise his arm, but with pain. But the big problem was he couldn't do what he wanted to do, and he was having trouble sleeping. So that creates a quality of life issue. After a long course of non-operative management, probably a number of years, when everything had failed or only worked temporarily, the only option was to move on to a reverse shoulder replacement because of the amount of pain. He had no rotator cuff remaining. Really, since about 2018, has been to use intraoperative navigation, which is called GPS. And we did that with Mr. Cordial, which allowed us to preoperatively plan the surgery virtually on a computer. And then we put trackers on him and did the exact same operation again. Location, implants, sizes, everything.
Surgery went really smooth. I went in that morning, the nurses tended to me very well, and Doc went in surgery and came out, and I wasn't in no pain whatsoever. They gave me pain pills. I didn't have to take any.
He had virtually almost no complaints.
I feel great. I feel that, Dr. Wright's got me back 100%, right shoulder and left shoulder. My business, takes me a lot of places still, and then leisurely, my wife and my child, we travel a lot, and then when I get to go on my track meets, I make a vacation out of them. So going through this whole total reverse shoulder rotator cuff surgery I had on my left side, I was kind of apprehensive about, what's life going to be after that, but I should have done it way sooner, and, Dr. Wright done a fantastic job, and life is really good right now.